Welcome class 5 in your science class, and as we have completed the chapter very short answers MCQ all the pattern of the questions, we have to start from short answer questions from question number 3. So what is the question 3? What is meant by adaptation? So short answers. Question 3 is there. What is meant by adaptation? What is meant by adaptation? And the answer is, what is meant by adaptation? And the answer will be, adaptations are adaptations adaptations are changes in the body changes in the body or body organs. Changes in the body organs, functions, features, or behavior of or behavior of organism. Behavior of organism that help it to survive in its habitat. Animals show different types of adaptation. Animals show different types of adaptation to live in a particular habitat. So the answer is here. What is meant by adaptation? So the adaptation are the changes in the body organism, functions, features or behavior of organism that help it to survive in its habitat. And animals are having, they show different kind of adaptations to live in a particular habitat. Suppose fish is living in a water and camel is living in the desert because they are having special body features to survive themselves in this type of habitat. Okay, so the second question is, if we'll see the second question, so the second question is here. The very next question is, uh, camels are adapted to the desert regions. Some people take them to different cities, especially those having sea beaches for joy rides and entertainment, and earn money from them. What features help a camel to survive in a desert? So the question 1 is there. It is from question 4. A. Part A. What features 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 help a camel to survive in survive in desert? We know camel have specific features which help them to survive in the desert. We know what are the features. They are having they are having specific features, like they have uh, long legs which keep them away from the warmth of the sand, and they have a fatty hump where they can store food and water in the time of their survival, in the time of their starvation, when they do not get any kind of food in the desert. That time they can utilize this food. And secondly, their long legs help them to keep their body away from the sand. They have long lashes to keep their eyes protected from the sand. And the last one is they are having the padded feet to walk in the sand, which do not just sink inside the sand. So these all are the specific features. Okay, so the answer is there. A camel stores camel has a hump in which it stores in which it stores fat and water, and uses its food uses its food and uses it as food when needed. And its second feature is it has long legs of camel. Long legs of camel help it to help it to keep its body keep its body keep its body away from the away from the away from the heat of the sand. Heat of the sand. And if we write the third one, its long eyelashes protect its eyes from sand. Its long eyelashes protect it its long eyelashes protect its eye protect its eye from sand. Protect its eye from sand. Protect its eye from sand. And the last one, if we'll write, we'll write the last or the fourth adaptation. So fourth adaptation of the camel is it has padded feet. It has padded feet which help it to walk in the desert easily. Okay, so the fourth adaptation, it has padded feet which help it to walk in the desert easily. So these all are the adaptation which camel has, and it can live in the desert very easily. So it has four very good adaptation. First of all, it can store fat and water in its hump, and in the time of its starvation, when it does not get any kind of food and water, that time it can use this food and water from its hump. Secondly, its body is as it has a very long legs, so its body get away from the sand for the long legs. Okay, and the third one is it has long eyelashes which keep them secure from the sand. And fourth one is it has padded feet which made them to walk on the sand very easily, because it does not these padded feet does not sink. These padded feet do not sink inside the sand. They can easily walk on it because it has a good surface area. Understood? So these all are the features camel has. Now we can see the third question. What is the next question? Next question is, it is right to shift animal from their natural surrounding to other places. Why and why not? So it is not good to shift the animals from their natural surrounding, because we know a natural surrounding is a surrounding in which a animal can grow well, eat well, and it can do all kind of activities very easily. Their body adaptation is according to their habitat, isn't it? But if we shift them, that means they are changing their habitat, they are changing their natural surrounding. So if we are shifting them to the other place, maybe this new place is not suitable for that animal, and that particular specific adaptation is not helpful for that new environment. Maybe a polar bear is coming to a plain, so in the plain environment is hot and humid, but in the polar regions that is very harsh condition, and too much cold is there, so that bear cannot survive in this kind of hot weather, because its body adaptations are like that. So in the other things we can see fish cannot live without the water. And what about the camel? Camel feet are actually suitable to walk on the sand, and they can easily walk in the sand. But when they are walking the seashore, there may be in the seashore there is a sandy place, but in those this is different from the sand which are found in the Rajasthan, or you can say in the sandy places, because it has wetty sand, and it has some salty atmosphere is there, which is not suitable for the camel. And sometimes you can see sores are present in their feet, and when they walk there, they get their feet gets wounded, and maybe it is fatal for them to survive. Okay, so the next answer we will write in my next class. You just go through these 3 answers and write them, and in my next video and my next class I will give you the another videos. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.